Hey guys, and so welcome to my channel. So today's video, I am going to be doing a Map of the Soul Persona by BTS unboxing. So this music video for Boys with Love just came out about 5 or 6 hours ago. And I woke up and I watched it and I was in love with it. Yes. And so I was like, okay, I wouldn't mind having the album. And so then I started thinking, like, if the video is out, more than likely the album is out. So I was like, I wonder if Target has it, because I was going to order it offline. So I go to the Target website and I see that yes, they do have it, after I had to search through like a bunch of stuff because I didn't type in Map of the Soul, I just typed in BTS. Anyways, and so they have it and I was like, yes, okay, so I can pick it up in store. And I was expecting to see 3 to 4 days because, you know, shipping, no, 4 to 7 days, you know, with shipping and all. And I was like, wait a minute, it said I could pick this up in 2 hours. That means it is in stock at the store. So instead of waiting 2 hours, I got up, threw on some sweatpants and a shirt, hopped in my car and drove to Target. And here we are with the album. Yes. And so this is version 3 of the album, which is what the screensaver, well, I don't know if I showed that already. My screensaver on my phone is. So this should be the version that they have the roses and stuff. If it's not, I'm going to be mad. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing this. Really, it's not an unboxing. It's more of an unwrapping because it's not in a box. So here we go. Where is some scissors? I don't have any scissors, so I'm just going to try to use my nails. They're kind of sharp, so maybe I can get, oh, yep, I got it. Okay, so we're just ripping the plastic off of it. Ooh. Alright, so now here is the thing. Okay, I'm kind of confused as to what I'm looking at. So it kind of opens up like a, oh, I have stuff falling out. So like probably the photo card and the letters and all that stuff. I'm not going to look at my photo card yet. Let's go ahead and let all that stuff fall out. Oh, okay. Don't look at anything. The poster, all of it fell out. Like, all of it. I'm trying not to see. Okay, so here's the actual photo book. And so if you open it up, the album is right there. It's kind of got like a matte feel to it. Yeah. Pretty simple compared to the other ones that I've gotten in the past. Oh, look, the booklet comes out. So that's cool. Alright. So, let's see. Oh God, I just saw something that I didn't want to see. I don't know if it's the photo card. I don't know what that is, but we're going to put that down there. Alright. Oh God, there's more stuff in the book that just keeps falling out. Oh God, okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so we can do like an unboxing. So just a second. The first couple of pages are blank. This sucks because I'm upside down and so like I can't really see. Alright, so here's the first page. Oh, I suck at this. This is my first unboxing. So oh, this is going to be nice to look at. Ooh, Hobie. My best friend's bias. Who we got next? More Hobie. Ooh, yes. I think this is her new screensaver. I sent it to her. Alright, and then we got V. With his blue hair. I love the blue hair. Oh my God. Yes, V. Yes. Oh, Sugar. That's one of my biases. Yeah, I have 2 biases in BTS and I can't never, like, they always fight you. Sugar. Oh, I can't wait to, like, look at this good. Oh, the purple hair. Everything. Oh, this picture is also my screensaver on the inside. Okay. What we got next? We got, I can't tell who this is because it's pretty small and I can't see, so we just keep going. Is that Googie? No. Upside down. It's hard to tell. Hold on. That is Googie. Okay. So here we got Jungkook. Googie, as I call him. Oh, he's so gorgeous. Little Monet. We got Lida, RM. Okay, cute picture. He's like one at the bottom of my list, but that's cool. Alright. Again, I can't tell who's in these pictures because I can't see. Where's Jimin? Okay. And here we got Jin. Worldwide handsome. With them green sandals. Yikes. There's Chim. I was looking for you, Chim Chim. Yes. Oh God. I love it. Okay, then the picture of all of them. Someone's kind of in the middle. That's Googie. Alright, and then it's like a map. Okay, I get it. It's like a map. And then it's got the names of the songs. And so like here we have Intro, which is Persona. Or Persona. Not sure how you say it. Number 2, A Boy with Love. And then here's number 3, which is something I'm not going to try to pronounce because I don't want to ruin it. Number 4, Make It Right. Oh my God, I love this song. I heard it in the car this morning. Obsessed. Okay, number 5 is Home. Number 6 is James something. Yeah. And then number 7 is, you know what? I ain't even gonna try to pronounce it. So song 7. So it looks like a map. That's pretty cool. And then here is the stuff that they always have at the end. I think it's the lyrics. Doesn't really matter to me because I can't read Korean, so I tried to learn, but it didn't work. And then here are the thanks letters, and this is RM's thanks letter. This is Jin's. This is Suga's. This is Hobie's. That's a long letter to Hobie. This is Chim Chim and V. And then we got Googie. Googie, I know your letter don't go on both pages. He's such a sensitive person. And then we got the credits, and that is the end of the photo. Okay, so that was the photo book, and so now we're just gonna go through the stuff that I got. So it looks like I have like a film thingy, so it's gonna be really hard to see because I can barely see it. Oh, this is pretty dope though. This is dope as shit. Okay, so then we got, of course, the album. I showed you guys this already. Like I said, it's just a like kind of matte feeling CD. Oh, it's crooked and it's bothering me. Okay. Now it's straight. Alright. And so we got another sticker. Well, it's kind of a sticker, kind of like one of those stand thingies of the main like picture of all of them inside. There we go. We're going to do it like this. My camera won't focus on the picture. Okay. So this is the picture. Alright. And so then we got this little slip of paper that has just like information on it. I don't know. I can't read Korean. Alright, and then we got the notes that comes in every single book or album. But I can't read it because I don't know Korean, and so I'm upset. I gotta learn Korean so I can know. But it has like notes that they've written on like certain days. I guess. I'm assuming that's what it is. saying year 22, but like it's not year 22, so I don't know. Anyways, then we have the information card that they give to everybody. And last but not least, I have I have the poster and 2 photo cards, kinda. I don't know. We'll see. So the poster is nothing but this same thing that we've been seeing of all of them sitting together. And so, yes. I can't wait until I can hang stuff up on my walls, because I got so many posters of them. It's kind of sad. Alright. Then last but not least, we have the photo cards. And so I got this. Oh, it's RM. Oh well, I'll take it. Oh, this is cute. I got this little like thing. It's got like signature and stuff on the back. And then I have RM. So, yes. Him with white hair is cute though. Super cute. Alright, and now who is my photo card? Ready, set. Sugar! Yes. I got the Sugar photo card. And it looks like a selfie that he posted on Twitter. Like, that's dope. I'm gonna keep this forever. It's probably gonna go in my wallet with the other photo card that I have of Jimin. So, but yes, this has been my video of unboxing, or unwrapping as I'm gonna say, BTS's new Map of the Soul Persona album. It's not the typical unboxing because I don't do typical. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one.